If NVK2K26 is crashing, freezing, or not starting, the problem is likely related to your system, drivers, or game files. And here's how you can troubleshoot the issue. First, you need to go ahead and verify the game files. Go ahead, use the Steam or other launcher's built-in tool to check for and repair corrupted game files. And you can also try running the application as administrator. Close the background apps on your computer. Shut down unnecessary programs, especially overlays and recording software that might interfere with the game. Go ahead and try updating the graphics driver as well. Download and install the latest drivers for your NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel graphics card. And reduce the game's visual settings to decrease the demand on your system. Ensure that your computer meets the minimum hardware specifications for the game. And if the problem persists, reinstall the game. Uninstall and then reinstall the game to ensure a clean installation. And make sure that you have the latest updates installed in your operating system as well. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.